Hey guys, welcome back to, oh my god, what day are we on now? Vlogmas day. Okay, so welcome back to Vlogmas day 14. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we're at Vlogmas day 14 already. Okay, but it is currently around lunchtime and I am making lunch, so I just thought I would, you know, bring it in and just kind of do like a little day in my life action. Today is good day so far. I did not want to wake up this morning, like at all. I was gonna go to the gym this morning at 6, but I was so tired. Like I just feel like, oh hey Frank. I just feel like I've been so tired lately and I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Oh, that was Frank sneezing. Hi buddy. Yeah, I've just been so tired lately and I don't really know why. Anyway, but yeah, so I am currently just making lunch. This morning for breakfast, I had a piece of sourdough bread, and then I also had the rest of my orange drink, which is like oranges, 2 oranges, 1 apple, what else? 1 apple, 2 oranges, and carrots, 5 carrots, and ginger, a thumb of ginger. So yeah, so that's what I had, and now I'm just gonna take a couple sips of this green juice before, because I'm a little hungry, before my sushi bowl is done. I don't have any seaweed. I don't have any seaweed to add to it, but it's pretty good on its own without the seaweed. So yeah, I'm just gonna add avocado, cucumber, and I might slice up some carrot to add some more vegetables to it. But it's pretty good. I just finished my salmon in the air fryer. I'm just kind of letting it rest in there. I have the rice in the rice cooker, and yeah, I'm just gonna chop up some veg, drink a little bit of green juice, not all of it. I find I don't like to drink a ton in a sitting, just because it's so, I was gonna say potent, but that sounds gross. It is very strong. It's very concentrated, so I like to just drink a little bit at a time. It's very good. It's very tart because of the lemon and the cucumber, but it's very good. I'm really enjoying my juicer. I'm using it more than I thought it would, and it's also very easy to clean, which makes it nice and easy to use. In yesterday's vlog, I kind of showed you how you can use, oh, I should turn on the lights, how you can use the pulp from like the different juices. So I made these really good muffins, and they're carrot and orange and ginger, like the pulp from all those fruits and vegetables and spices, and they make these little muffins and they're really good. So it made 12 muffins out of the pulp, so it's a great way to use up the vegetables and fruit so you don't waste anything. So that part was nice. To make the sushi in a bowl, what you do is you add rice and then salmon, and then you add a little bit of soy sauce. I don't use soy sauce, but I use liquid soy seasoning by Bragg's. It's like called like coconut aminos. What, Frank? And then you drizzle sriracha and kewpie mayo, which is like the Asian mayo, Japanese mayo. And then I'm gonna dice up some cucumber, some avocado, and also I'm gonna slice up some carrots as well to add. Can you hear him talking? What, Frank? What do you have to say? What? What's wrong? What? Tell me. Can you sit? Hey, Frank, can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Sit. Sit on your bum. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Do you need to go outside? You do? You do? Okay, would you like me to put you out? You would? Okay, I'll put you out. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Okay, so my salmon is now cooked. This is what it looks like. It turned out to be beautiful. And this is the rub that I put on it. It's honey garlic rub by Weber focus camera, and it's super good. I find it's like a sweet blend, which is nice. And now I'm just going to cut up my avocado and my cucumber and my carrots. I have the salmon and the rice. Now I'm just gonna mash up the salmon and mash it into the rice. And both are warm, so I don't have to microwave them. And the rice turned out so well in the rice cooker. May have added a little bit too much salmon, but full of protein. Next, I'm just gonna add a little bit of coconut aminos, which is soy sauce. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Just a little bit of sriracha and kewpie mayo. Then I'm just gonna do a light little mix of that. And then I'm going to add the toppings, which is carrot, avocado, and cucumber. So that is, I did a really bad job presenting it, but it is super yummy, super nutritious, lots of protein, and it's super good. Okay, so Frank and I just got back from our walk. We did, I think, 1.5 kilometers today, a shorter walk, because I had to make my lunch and then eat it. And then I was also talking to my mom on the phone just about some different things, some exciting things. But yeah, so I'm just gonna chill on the couch here for another 5-10 minutes or so, and then I'm back to work. Oh my god, I think I forgot to take off my eye makeup last night before I went to bed, but I have permanent dark circles underneath my eyes. Anyway, I'm just drinking some water and went to scroll on TikTok. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. If you liked Vlogmas Day 14, please give a like down below, comment, and subscribe. I know it was a short one, but it's hard to film every single day of your life and edit and upload it, so yeah. Anyway, that is the end of the video, and I will see you tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 15. Right, Frank? Can you say goodbye?